Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 2nd November. And first of all, national news. Jet Airways properties worth 538 crore seized in money laundering case. Selective anonymity, Supreme Court on day 2 of electoral bonds hearing. Center cleared 110 of 111 applications for imports of laptops, IT hardware. Infosys asked some employees to return to office 10 days a month, a report said. Kozhikode and Gwalior declared creative cities of literature and music by UNESCO. PM Modi, Bangladesh PM Sheikh Hasina jointly inaugurated 3 development projects. Delhi recorded highest number of road accidents in 2022, a report said. 8 years have passed. Railway employees union to PM Modi on pay revision. And now some international news. First, foreigners left Gaza for Egypt through Rafah crossing. Parliamentary Committee on IT may summon Apple over hacking, sources said. Bangladesh PM's daughter Saima West to head WHO's Southeast Asia region. US House panel seeks to ban federal purchase of Chinese drones, a report said. Iran's Khamenei asked Muslim countries to seize oil, food exports to Israel. Netanyahu vowed to continue war against Hamas despite painful losses. China's biggest Antarctic fleet set off to build fifth research station. And now some sports news. ODI World Cup 2023, Matt Henry suffered hamstring injury during South Africa match. England all-rounder David Willett to retire from international cricket after ODI World Cup 2023. With 6 wins in 6 matches, India are 1 win away from making the World Cup 2023 semi-finals. Sachin Tendulkar's statue unveiled at Wankhede Stadium, where India won the 2011 Cricket World Cup. Business related news. Indian firms can now list directly on foreign stock exchanges. Center. Ambuja Cement sees quarter 2 profit of nearly 1,000 crore rupees. India authorized Apple, Dell, others to import laptops, tablets, a report said. And that's all in news. Thank you.